no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no.
All right, check this out. The only people that you should ever be telling your goals to, that you should ever be speaking your goals into existence with, especially when you're in the beginning of your journey and it's still a new idea, you don't have all the experience, is the only people you should tell your goals to are people that you know are going to catch that thought, they're going to look at it and amplify it. And they're going to add some motivational or positive energy to it, some loving energy to it, and throw it back to you. They just gave you encouragement. They just strengthened you. They just helped you progress in such a way, right? And so they just made you feel good. You want to be telling people your goals. You want to be telling those kind of people about your goals. Oftentimes, we'll be telling our goals to everybody, right? And we'll tell our goal to that one negative person that we know. And we'll throw them this really good positive goal, right? And they'll look at it and they'll be like, instead of amplifying it, they'll look at it and be like, I don't know. This is kind of heavy. This thought that you threw me is so big. It's kind of heavy for me to hold on to. It's getting heavy. I don't know if you can do this, dog. And they throw it back in a way in which you're like, huh? Oh, dang, I didn't realize it was so heavy. Oh, let me put this down. Maybe I shouldn't do this. And then we never make any real progress in life. We don't see our dreams turning into reality. Tell somebody you know who will catch that goal that you just thrown them, that thought, and they'll be like, actually, bro, this is kind of light. I think you can handle this. Yeah, bro, you got this, man. And if you need any support, I got you here. Those are the people you tell your goals about. Everybody else, it's cool. You can love them. That doesn't mean you love them any less. It just means they're in your life for a different purpose. With everybody else, you don't have to tell them your goals. It's okay. Instead, act on what it is your goal is. Act on it. And they can observe the manifestation of the fruits that you accomplishing those goals will bring. And you won't have to tell them about their goals. Instead, they'll just see what you're doing. And that, for me in my life and the lives of the mentors I've had, that's what I've observed allows you to make the fastest progress. Much love.